I've noticed one thing about Kampala and all its suburbs. They lack footpath for pedestrians. Look at this road, very dusty and narrow in a place called Chanja, a so-called developed suburb of Kampala. But look at the dusty roads. There's no footpath. They are poorly planned with narrow, dusty roads that two cars can't fit. And the pedestrians, if they are walking, they also use the same road. The road that is very narrow and dusty. This has caused more pedestrian fatalities and accidents. You understand? This has caused more pedestrian fatalities and accidents because pedestrians have no a safe route to walk on, and they are sharing the road with the cars. The roads are very narrow that two cars can't pass each other. This is a so-called neighborhood in Uganda. All they know how to construct are big wall fences with barbed wires. It's like a prison. This is a high-end ghetto, so-called ghetto, because you can't tell me the roads are this small and you tell me it's a developed neighborhood. No, Uganda lacks walkways for pedestrians, especially Kampala suburbs. Poorly planned and very, very, very dangerous. You understand? It's very dangerous for pedestrians. Kampala needs to do better. They need to make better roads with footpaths, especially in these residential areas. A residential area that lacks footpath, parks, no, that's not. It's a ghetto.